Hey, this is Tata, and I'm testing out my mic by some of the art at the Powerhouse in Goshen, right by the farmers market across the creek. We're gonna go get a quick little shot of whatever body of water this is considered. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up before I finish this video. Not too bad. All right, let's go mushroom hunting. Wish me luck, because last time we only got just a few things, not a lot. And here we go. Ouch! Oh, my knees are aching. I don't know how that bodes for the squats I want to do tomorrow. Now they got some heavier weights. All right. Tighten this mount. Camera's not going to catch everything I look at. I'm definitely looking around in any moist, shady spaces. I feel like I almost sounded Amish there for a second. Ooh, it's moist. It's moister than an oyster here. My boots are gonna get muddy as shit. I have to leave them outside and let them dry off overnight. A little bit greener than the last time I was out here. Surprisingly dry when I came out here last time. I wouldn't mind eating some mushrooms for dinner, or just getting some for the joy of it. I was reading a post, probably on Reddit, which I am definitely IP banned from for being based. But anyhow, it was saying I found my first mushrooms in 30 years of hunting, which is kind of sad. Also, like, I mean, at least they found it. At least they got that, what they wanted eventually. Some of us live our whole lives and never get what we want or need. Yeah. I'm gonna dedicate this this hunt on those people. I feel like I'm one of them sometimes. Tree down. It looks in worse condition than it was last time. So, just to avoid the what's left of the tent city. Man, I gotta clean up out here. This is terrible. Just trash everywhere. Yeah, neither of these ways are good. I get full of prickers. Fucking prick. Thorny tree to the right, thorny tree to the left. Probably poison ivy all over. I'm paying too much attention. Hey, bush, you're in the way of the curtains. Whee! That's a rotten log. I gotta go on foot from here. Because let's be honest, this isn't a great area to take my bicycle. Aww. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let's see what we find. Excuse me, I was burping a little bit. I ate a sandwich because I was really worn out from the new weights I got. Here, I think I might pull out my shelfie stick. Shelf stick. Ooh, mediocre. Adequate. That's better attitude. Around. Alright, good idea where I'm at. This place isn't too big. I'd hate to get turned around and have to trudge through shit to find my bike later. Roomy, a mushroom. Get your mycological ass out here. Come to me, or else. Maybe I shouldn't have worn shorts today. I guess worst case scenario, I'll find some more artist conchs, and I think at this time I should actually scrape some art into them. You gotta do it like a day or two after you get them, or else they harden up. Also, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of editing in this video or even watch it, so if I miss anything, let me know. Let me know. You know, I gotta be honest. Treasure hunting and mushroom hunting are a lot alike, I think. Man, mushrooms are a treasure. Oh man, I got a Mama Cass Elliott in my head. I love that lady. Pretty good looking for a larger gal. Personally, I like a woman a little thicker, you know. I'm dating a girl and she's like tiny. It's just too much work trying not to hurt them, you know? It's a bad fit. Think of it like a sheath to a sword, or perhaps a shoe. You know? I don't want a size 8. I need like a Peggy Hill. I need like a size 14 and a half, or else I'm liable to twist the frame. That's not something I need to do. Oh, hey! I forgot about this lady over here. This is the goose I think we ran into the other day. She looks like she's sleeping. I'm gonna go around and try to avoid her because I don't want to really disturb any wildlife out here. You know, so like a while back, I have a lot of people that like to just walk in my home. I do leave the door open sometimes, but that's no license to go in. Man, I lose sleep over that. I would hate for this goose to be shaking with anxiety for the next couple days because I came too close. Fungi. Oh, fungi. It's over here. Ouch. Ooh. I just had a thorny vine wrap itself around my leg and I kicked through it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Sometimes, if you're ever feeling down, remember that the letter 4 always equals banana. Or maybe say something like, come on, chugga chugga, woo! You know? Come on, don't stop. Don't stop till you get enough. Come on, don't stop. Whatever the lyrics are. Kind of a cool tree. I didn't know we were so zoomed. Man, you know, I was probably right on my face earlier. I hope I get lucky. I would hate to have this be a fruitless hunt. I'd at least like to see something different than I didn't see last time. Maybe a mushroom that I could identify, because I'm still kind of getting the hang of this. Alright, I'm gonna leave Goosey alone. She's way behind us. A little less clean than it was last time I was here. Man, if I didn't have a phone that I didn't want to swim and try to find, even though it's waterproof as shit, I would totally climb across that. Alright, let's step over. Dun, 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 doo, 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 doo. Definitely got to clean up next time. I'm just too lazy. To be honest, tired enough. I don't even really want to bend over. So, I'm gonna pull these pants. What the fuck that is? Maybe someone slept out here or wiped their ass with that at some point. Hard to tell. I love those birds. Weet, 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 weet. Yeah, that's what I want to hear. Ooh, almost fell. My ankles are not what they used to be. Oh man, look at that burrowwood over there. Is that what I think it is? That's as far as it goes. That'd be cool. Quack, quack. This is cool. Wow. This looks like it's typically underwater right here. It's a beer cozy. This place needs a lot of work. Let's carry on. So, cool. I got a cool memory about this spot. Years ago, about 8 years ago, I lived over in this area. That's not my trash. But I had a couple people who were also staying out here, and one of them got really drunk and decided to just get in the water for some reason. You know, it is what it is. But apparently someone lost a case of beer in the water and it floated down at some point. So he just kept finding beers in the water and he was drinking them. At least not whatnot. How's that? Grab out. I feel like people have probably been living down here off and on since Goshen was established as a town. Oh, you know what that is? A beaver chewed on that. A big brown beaver. Oh yeah. I'm going over here. This is also usually underwater. In fact, I've never came out in the middle of this like this. I've been coming down here to explore since I was a child, or a teenager, tween, what have you. I think I'm gonna, next time I come out here, I'm gonna try a different area, like altogether. The season's really short. I know later, like towards the fall, there's a ton of mushrooms out here. Not morels, but you know, a ton of edibles. Edible mushrooms, not the enlightening kind. Fairly sure I'm over all that mind-altering stuff. My brain is worn out. I also got that song stuck in my head. Out on the bayou. If anyone's actually watching this video through, have you ever... Whoa! I almost lost my boot. Anybody here ever run into a celebrity at some point in their life, and you know, they shake their hand, and then they're just like, "Is that? I must be a crazy person. I got to get away," you know. And then you're like, "Oh, that was that person," and it's an opportunity to introduce myself properly. That's okay though. Oh, I wonder if that tree's still here. So at one point when I lived out here many years ago, one of our friends took an outlet or like a plug-in receptacle, and they just grafted it into the wood. And every now and then someone would come down and visit, and they'd plug it in, and they'd be like, "Why isn't it working?" And everyone would just laugh at them and not say anything. And they'd be confused. I think it's not too hard to draw a conclusion about that person. And I gotta find my bicycle again. It's over here. Actually, I'm gonna go over all this crap. Yeah. Oh, that's way easier just walking on top of the lugs. Just stepping all over all of them. I guess I'm getting older, and my ankles and my knees worry me. I try to baby them a little bit. I was just thinking, you know, sometimes you can do something and it's the right thing to do, and it's both shameful as well. Like, you ever heard that joke about a moped? You know, they're fun, but you don't want your friends seeing you riding one? I think it's a terrible joke to make. But it's funny in this situation because it's relative to like the context I was trying to make. You know, some people just show their love in different ways, and I think if you're one of those people who's out there giving pity fucks, good for you. Good for you. It's your civic duty. Not really. More like conservative, but I like to joke because I wasn't always that way. I'm surprised I actually got out here today. working really hard to get the energy. There's a lot of saplings here. Basically, got to knock down any saplings that I walk by because I feel like I'm about 4 feet wide. I should measure that. Anybody thirsty? We got body shots here. Let's take a glance under these guys. If I'm not careful, I'm gonna run out of storage again. Should have went with the 512. What was I thinking? To be honest, I haven't really been doing the internet phone thing for the last year in like almost 10 years. Let's get some more of those artist conch, and at least we can make something cool to look at tonight. These little, here we go. This guy right here has got sticks growing through him and everything. Kind of cool. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Yeah, I like that. I'll make the holes into orifices. Ooh, that's a nice crack. I wish I could reach the ones up at the top of the tree here. They're nice and big. But I can't. I cannot. See if we can spot the people on the bridge with the camera. I see them. Look at them walking. They're guilty. No. Oh, that was something. It's a dead something. Okay. Looks like we got a dryad saddle growing out from under this thing, look all goopy like. We'll leave that there. Aww, look at them. They're so cute. Oh, we got some guys going right here. I don't know what those are. It's they're all over the place. We got a bunch of mica caps or ink caps. This one's a little rough. These are edible. Here, I'm gonna grab a few of these, take them with me. Let's plot another bag. Maybe I'll have a snack later. Snackety snack. Okay. Lunch. Oh, I love that. Another one here. I'm gonna take all the tiny ones. Oh, there's a bunch of them here. A lot of them are spent already, but I'll remember where these are. I'm very happy to find something, you know? Beautiful. I think, I dare say we will have a serving. We will have a serving. Leave enough of these so they can maintain their colony and we'll come back. There should be more in a few days. These look a little icky. Those guys are nice and big. That's the size I should be picking. There's a lot of dirt in there, but I'm going to clean them. Oh, there's some more. Some decent sized ones. Mica caps, ink caps. Very cool. Very cool. All right. It's a good opportunity for me to pull my pants up. Oh, there's some more. Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't stomp them all out. These are in okay shape. I'll get through those. I'm gonna remember this spot. I think if I come here again, I'm gonna make sure I go deeper and closer to the water, but also very much deeper. I'll go as deep as I can, hit all the walls, metaphorically. Oh, almost fell. Stepped on a log. Anything in here? Gave me, I want to crawl under there. Probably a really good spot. Let's bend over real deep and glance around. Oh, hey, 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 yeah. It looks like some dryad saddle at a glance. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Jesse's happy. Tata's happy. I cut that out. Decent collection of dryad saddle. I'm gonna eat so good tonight. Thank you guys so much. Wow, that is a fistful right there. Oh man, that's huge. Got it. Got another one. Kind of looks like the end of a horse's dick. I had to say that. I had to say that. It was necessary. I promise. The hell was that? Shouted like a tiger. Are there tigers out here? No. I'm gonna go get a little bit farther, but I'm getting tired. Fingers crossed. That used to be a good spot. Trying to glance through the bushes without crawling under them because they're really low. Oh, I missed the turtles falling off. They're sunning. We're getting close to that goose's territory, you know, it'd be nice. Oh, there's some turtles over there. Just kicking it. Those are big old turtles. Ah! Ouch. I just had some thorns grab me. I didn't know I could make that sound. Whoa, shit. I assume that's all turtles or toads. One or the other. It scared the shit out of me. Maybe because I'm wearing sunglasses. It really isn't helping my efforts here. There's less contrast. This is a tarp or tent. That looks cool. Hugh Sephiroth music. With titties. I think that's all we got. Titties. 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 The story this thing could tell. Alright, I think we're about done here. I'm gonna shut my camera off at home. Yeah, I'm so tired I can barely stand up straight. Well, I appreciate anyone who watches any of these videos or clips. Like, comment, subscribe, help a guy out. It's either the lottery or YouTube, and I don't got money for the lottery. Like, for real, for real. Tata for now. Squishy, squishy. My stamina is depleted. I couldn't make love to any woman, even if I wanted to. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm pretty tired. I'm worn out. Like, comment, subscribe. I need this. It's either the lottery or YouTube, and I don't have money for the lottery. Tata for now.